Lock nuts are also referred to as prevailing torque nuts or stiff nuts. They offer extra security in applications that are subject to vibration and torque. We provide lock nuts in a full range of sizes, thicknesses, and finishes. We can easily accommodate a wide range of specs. You can submit your requirements and get a quick quote directly through our catalog. We'll provide you with dedicated service, competitive pricing, and make sure your needs receive careful attention. Most of our customers throughout the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic can even have their orders shipped in as little as 24 hours. Submit your RFQ today or contact us directly.